Now the topic before us is web page versus website. For the purpose of simplicity, we can compare a book with a website. As we can see that any book has many pages and any page we can open on our book. In the same way, the website consists of web pages. It means that whatever we open on computer, the page which is displayed before us is a web page, and collection of web pages constitutes the website. We will discuss the difference between web page and website in detail. Web page is a hypertext document on the World Wide Web and viewable by anyone connected to the internet having a web browser. That is, any person who is using the internet facility and also having web browser that can view the pages on the World Wide Web. A web page may contain text, graphics, video material, or a web page may also contain hyperlinks to other web pages and files. A web page could also be blank, that is, there may not be anything written on the same. Each web page is identified by a distinct URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. A website consists of many web pages linked together under a common domain name. Here we have used a word that a web page may contain hyperlinks. What is the meaning of hyperlinks? Hyperlink is also known as a link or web link. A hyperlink is an icon, word, graphic, or image that links to a new section or page within the website or to an external document or website. It is activated by clicking on it. Web page is a document commonly written in HTML. There may be question in the exam, what is the full form of HTML? The answer is hypertext markup language. Web page can be accessed by entering the URL on the address bar of the web browser. Whenever you open a website, you enter something in the address bar. A web page is often used to provide information to viewers, including pictures, videos, to help illustrate important topics. A web page may also be used as a method to sell products or services to viewers. Now, what is the meaning of website? Website may be written as in this way, or web separate and site may be written as separately. Website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Examples of notable websites are google.com, amazon.com. All publicly accessible websites collectively constitute the World Wide Web. There are also private websites that can only be accessed on a private network, such as a company's internal website for its employees. Websites are typically dedicated to a particular topic or purpose, such as some websites may be related to news only, some websites may be education oriented. Websites like Amazon, Flipkart are e-commerce websites. There may be some websites which are focused on entertainment and other are social networking websites. A website can be accessed directly by entering its URL address or by searching it on a search engine such as Google or Bing. For example, if you can search the name of any university, search the website of any university to get admission there, you can name the enter of the that university in Google search or Bing search, and the Google or Bing will search the name of the website for you. Users can access websites on a range of devices such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. That is, you can access any website on your desktop, smartphone, or any other laptop. Now, we have dif- differentiated web page and website in a tabular form. Web page is a single document on the internet, whereas website is a collection of many related web pages linked together under one domain. Web pages addresses of any specific website is directly dependent on the website address. Website address is independent of web page address. If a web page is deleted for any reason, the website will continue to work. But if we delete the website, all the web pages which were there in the website will stand deleted. In the case of web page, development requires less time. However, when we have to develop a website, it takes a long time. A web page usually contains content related to a single entity type. A website usually contains content related to different entities. For example, if we take the example of Amazon, if we click Amazon.com, then we are shown the products related to different companies on a single page. The examples of web page are login page, sign up page, contact page, etc. And the examples of websites are Amazon.com, Quora.com, Flipkart.com. Now home page. Home page can be written as this way or this way. It is the main web page or the introductory page of a website. It can help the viewer to find out what they can find on particular site. Good homepage design is usually high priority for a website. It is the most important page on any website. A poorly designed homepage can deter visitors from the site. So all the pages which are there on the website are web pages, but only one web page is home page. That is the introductory page is the home page. Now the meaning of web client. The client or user side of the web is called web client. It is an application that communicates with web server using HTTP. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It typically refers to the web browser in the user's machine that connects to the web server and retrieve web pages for display. Now, what is the meaning of email address? In the past, we used to send letters in physical form by going to the post office or going to the or to send letters through courier. Or now we are using computers for sending our mails or our thoughts, our opinions to other person. Email stands for electronic mail. An email address identifies an email box to which the messages are delivered. It is a paperless method of sending messages, notes, pictures, and even sound files from one place to another place through internet. Email address is made up of two parts. One is username and the another is domain name, which are separated by at the rate symbol. In this case, Prab Kirpa Classes is the username and gmail.com is the domain name. To create a personal email address, we have to create an account with an email provider of our choice, such as Gmail or yahoomail.com. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.